Welcome to class 9 students. In this video, we are going to cover the rest of the part of chapter 10. So, I'm going to start with question number 2. Very simple. A chord of a circle is equals to the radius of the circle. One circle you have to draw first of all. Okay. In this, the chord of circle, this is the chord, let it be BC, is equals to radius of circle. This point is center, radius would be OB and OC. It means BC is equals to OB and OC. OB is equals to OC is equals to BC. If all sides of triangle are equal, then this triangle will be considered as equilateral triangle. Triangle BOC would be equilateral triangle. So you can say that angle is of 60 degree, right? Now what you have to find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc. Minor arc would be this angle would be subtended. You have to find this angle, and at major arc would be this you have to find. In major arc you can use the theorem that angle subtended by the arc at the center is double angle subtended at any point on the remaining part of the circle. If this is 60 degree, this one is double of this, that this one would be 30 degree by using theorem. What theorem you have to write? The angle subtended by arc at the center is double angle subtended by it on any point on the remaining part of the circle. Now, if this is a cyclic quadrilateral, you can say that no, A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. In cyclic quadrilateral, you know very well that what you know that sum of any pair of opposite angles is 180 degree. You have to write. So BAC plus BMC would be 180 degree, right? And BAC is given to you 30 degree. Not given. We have to find it by using that theorem. This one is 60, so this would be 30, right? 30 plus BMC would be 180 degree. So BMC would be 180 minus 30 degree. So angle BMC 150 degree. Clear? This point must be M. Now coming to the next question number 4. In a circle, angle ABC figure is given to you in the question only, that ABC angle is given to you 69 degree. This one is A, B and C. This is given to you 69 degree. Okay, ACB 31 degree. This one is 31 degree. It is given to you. And next one is find BDC. D point is over here. So you have to find this angle. How you will find? Very simple. This is 69, 31 and this must be by using angle sum property of triangle. 69 plus 31 plus x would be 180 degree. Reason? Angle sum property of a triangle. So x would be 80 degree, right? If x is 80, you can use angles on same segment property. This would also be 80 degree. So angle BDC would be 80 degree by using angles on same segment of circle property. Angles on same segment of circle are equal, no? And this is the same segment. And this angle BAC would be equal to BDC because both angles are equal. So if this is 80 degree, this would also be 80 degree. Next question is question number 7. If diagonals of cyclic quadrilateral are diameters of the circle, if cyclic quadrilateral is given to you, cyclic quadrilateral means quadrilateral in a circle, and if this quadrilateral is in the circle, no? If diagonals of cyclic quadrilateral, I'm going to draw the diagonals. These are the diagonals. Are the diameters of the circle. Diameter means this point is center. It means this, no? This point must be of O point must be center. Then you have to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. That this PQRS or ABC, whatever you take, no? This must be rectangle. So what you will do, very simple. ON would be equals to OP. Radius. Both are radius, no? and are half of MP. पूरे का हाफ ही होगा. OM would be equals to OQ and half of MQ. This would be equals to this and half of NQ. And you can say that all are equal, no? So you can say that NP is equals to MQ. So if diagonals of quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other, because bisecting, no, this must be equals to this equals to this. It is given only radius. These are the radius. So quadrilateral, this must be rectangle. Next question is, students, question number 9. Two set circles intersect each other at 2 points. Okay, the points are B and C. It is given to you. Now, if through B, two line segment ABD, through B, ABD, and the second line segment is PBQ. PBQ is drawn. Okay, so intersect each other at, both are intersecting, no? So prove that ACB, ACP, this angle is equals to QCD. This angle must be equals to this, you have to prove. So what you will do, students, very simple, that if these lines are intersecting, so vertical opposite angles must be equal. Angle 1 equals to 2. Reason being, vertical opposite angles, because lines are intersecting. Now if you will take same segment AP, as you know very well that the theorem, angles on same segment of circle are equal. Angles on same segment of circle are equal. So if AP is same segment, you can say that angle 1 would be equals to this angle, angle 3, because same segment is AP. And here DQ is same segment, so you can say that angle 2 will be equal to angle 4, because DQ is same segment of circle. Now if 1 equal to 3 and 2 equal to 4, 1 equal to 2 is given, these both are equal, so 3 will be equal to 4. Angle 3 would be equals to 4 by using second and third equation. Hence proved.